think you know Napoleon Bonaparte, the short guy with the funny hat. Think again. What if I told you the image you have of him is almost completely wrong, and that this one man's actions still shape the very way you eat your food and drive your car today? Stick around, because we're about to uncover 10 mind-blowing facts about the statistical giant who changed the world. Let's get the big one out of the way first. Fact number 1. Napoleon wasn't actually short. He stood at about 5 feet 7 inches, which was average, maybe even slightly above average, for a French man in the early 1800s. The short man myth was a brilliant piece of British propaganda, a caricature designed to cut the powerful emperor down to size. It worked so well that we still believe it 2 centuries later. Fact number 2. He was a workaholic on another level. Napoleon reportedly slept only 3 to 4 hours a night. He could dictate letters and plans to multiple secretaries at the same time, switching between complex subjects without missing a beat. His brain was like a supercomputer, constantly processing information and strategy. It's said he could work for days on end, powered by sheer will and an obsession with detail. Fact number 3. He was a true statistical giant. Before making any major decision, Napoleon demanded data. He created the first modern census, not just to count people, but to understand his empire's resources, manpower, and economic strength. He wanted numbers on everything from crop yields to the number of available horses. He was one of the first leaders to govern by spreadsheet, long before spreadsheets even existed. Fact number 4. You can thank Napoleon for your canned food. Seriously, in 1795, he offered a huge cash prize to anyone who could invent a way to preserve food for his army on long campaigns. A chef named Nicholas Appert won by inventing the process of sealing food in airtight containers and boiling them. This method was the precursor to modern canning, forever changing how we store and eat food. Fact number 5. He was an incredible military strategist. But do you know his record? Over his career, he fought in about 60 major battles and lost only a handful. That's a win rate that most modern sports teams could only dream of. His tactics, like the maneuver derrière, which involved flanking and attacking the enemy from the rear, are still studied in military academies worldwide. Fact number 6. Did you know Napoleon sold a huge chunk of America? In 1803, he sold the Louisiana Territory to the United States for $15 million. Why? He needed the money to fund his wars in Europe and figured it was too difficult to defend the land from so far away. This single deal, the Louisiana Purchase, nearly doubled the size of the US overnight. Fact number 7. He created the Napoleonic Code, a legal framework that's arguably his most enduring legacy. It completely reformed the French legal system, getting rid of feudal privileges and establishing principles like legal equality, property rights, and religious freedom. Versions of this code are still the basis for the civil law systems in dozens of countries across Europe, Latin America, and even parts of the US, like Louisiana. Fact number 8. While we're talking about legacy, let's talk about driving. Napoleon was a stickler for order and efficiency. He decreed that all traffic in his empire must keep to the right side of the road. Why? It allowed his armies to move faster and avoid chaos. This rule spread across much of continental Europe and eventually influenced road standards around the globe. So next time you're driving, you know who to thank. Fact number 9. He had a strange fear. Despite being a fearless commander on the battlefield, Napoleon was terrified of cats. It's a condition called ailurophobia. There are stories of him freaking out if a cat entered the room, which is a bizarre weakness for a man who controlled empires. It just goes to show, even the most powerful people have their quirks. And finally, fact number 10. His last word was Josephine. After all the battles, the empires, the exile, and the legends, his final thought was of his first wife, Josephine de Beauharnais. Despite divorcing her because she couldn't give him an heir, their love story was one of intense passion and connection. It's a surprisingly human and romantic end for one of history's most formidable figures. So there you have it. Not just a short general, but a data-obsessed, law-making, food-innovating workaholic who literally shaped the modern world. Which fact surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this, don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into history. See you next time.